Okay, welcome, Federal Republic of Nigeria, to this very, very new administration of the Red. This is not the only bus, maybe they get 4 drivers and 4 steering before, but now that we have changed government, it's no.
Government never changed. Government is about to change.
Okay, yes, government is about to change, so we are planning on changing. Yes, so from next week, I never know what will happen, but something will happen.
Something must happen.
Something must happen. So allow me, as so more people go talk, to introduce the anchors elect and present to them their certificate of return as the jagger of this particular. Ladies and gentlemen, first to my right, representing the South constituency, is MC Shaggy. And of course, also sharing the South constituency into the North a little bit is the Pt.1 of Nigerian comedy, Lucky Shy.
Honestly spoken, is this not me? We don't call.
And for the whole of the Surulere constituency 1 and 2, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the local government chairman of Surulere.
The only man that can't ballot box.
We will represent region, you know, Surulere.
Actually, I've been the true, I've been the support Jonathan. But as Jonathan said, congratulate Buhari, you can't be a Catholic more than the Pope. So, me too, I congratulate you.
So, let us go into the first story of the day, which is...
Do you need lights? Do you need lights?
Producer, I cannot read handwritten material. So
okay. Do you need lights?
I will bring light.
Do you need lights?
Give a light, give a light.
I can't.
What?
Look, it's not like I cannot read it.
Papa, what you need now is standard lightning. Standard lightning.
No, it's not that I cannot read. You see, the original flow was handwritten. So I took out time to type it, but they said I cannot use it.
Okay, coordinator, producer.
Yes. Can I get light, please?
Shift the podium close to the light.
Yes.
Shift the podium close to the light.
Una fit bring light, I beg.
Or you still need light from phone?
Okay, can somebody read it for you?
No.
Yes.
He's not joking, no, he's not joking.
I'm not joking, no, I cannot see this thing. Oh, okay, yes.
Oh, boy.
Raise.
Yeah. Oh, this guy need like that old man. Oh my God.
Oh, but how would I see this election?
The election is electable.
Yes.
But I'm happy. In fact,
before we continue, we no fail to talk. Say we pledge peace. So
yeah.
I beg, presidential election don't come. It was peaceful and it don't go.
Yes.
Governorship they come. April 11, more can still go out vote. If they give you money to cost kata, collect them and vote. No cost kata.
And then at this point, I really want to make we give kudos, a big congratulate to Oga Jonah for him to feel, before the announced result, to call General Buhari to
congratulate him. I go congratulate him.
I they congratulate Jonah.
Okay, he be hero.
Wait.
Jonah, you be hero.
Yes.
For
waiting in do. You know, say only one word. Call him, say congratulations. I change everything.
Yes,
every account. Only one word for change everything again. I no agree. You see?
Actually,
we go cause so congratulations for saying congratulations.
That is special.
I tell you.
And then me, I would like to congratulate Jega for being a man of impeccable wisdom. We need to use that grammatical terms at this particular point in time.
Oh boy. Oh my God.
No, Jega try. Yes. Because if to say na me, naim be INEC chairman. What be this guy name? Orubebe. Call home Mike. They say, no. I go draw anybody. Sierra heading. You think you can just come and destroy a nationwide? What's wrong with you?
Hey.
I think I even say daughter and I don't come up for social media.
You know, not only that one. They say that they call a roll call for class. Jennifer Dangote, present sir. Ifama Bello, present sir. Rukawe Orubebe.
Well, for all of now, where we say yes, When I don't say NAFDAC don't bring new drug now. New drug now. Say if you they get hot temper too much, and you want me your temper dey cold, just take this drug when they call Jegamycin injection.
Oh, more down they give goodness.
Calm down, your temperature will come down. Will calm down. Then if your temper too dey high, and you expect say you dey too much violent, get what they call Jonamycin. Take Jonamycin. You take so, then if you too dey cool, they waka sluggish. From here go take you from here to go or like 2 days. 2 day low too much. You just take Orubebemycin.
Oh my God!
That one, the way you go take the hyper.
And as Shakara talk, we thank Ogajona for his statesmanship, for being a very honorable man, and showing say him be really democratic government. For a democratic man, actually. A democratic man. Because if, as Chakara talk, now only one word, I don't agree. If you don't cause another thing. You don't say congratulations alone. You have done well. Now good thing I do, and want to urge you as you gather your load and go back to Tueke. And we sure say you don't get enough. We sure say you don't get enough shoe now.
When you come, you don't get shoe. You don't get shoe.
I know that imagine. I imagine that time they say, I imagine that time if that Orubebe, the Allah, what? You cannot continue. You cannot continue. Then they call the result, and listen, all of them did there. Now Jonah enter. Boy, still you cannot continue.
You don't want to shock me pass for this election result. Want to shock me over election result. You know those guys say they give sign language and they are the 3 for pass. No, the time they got reach for when they read the results, when they call talk and as the man just say, these are the results. AA 10. The demonstrator sign language do you know something be A for sign. AA 10. And then they reach Kano 1,903,999. The guy do sign language.
For Kano,
you get what you notice for that sign language. You know say when that professor called the River State told, where you know they see. You know say the guy, you get the particular that the guy know they talk. The guy see the back, see the. Man, I take a message. You know they see. Just go.
One more time. Congratulations to Tinubu. Sorry. Buhari. But I don't know. Sorry, I don't know who really win the election. When I know best. I don't watch the news well.
All right. Viewers, make una just relax for us. Wait for us. Will they come back after this break? I beg.
And welcome back, my people. This now I the red, and like this we do every Saturday to give you a Joliment weekend. As I did, my name is Eleno, and I did here with my constituency member, house the parliamentarians of this very house. And what will our job be? Now to come read newspaper headline, TV news, or whichever news. Anyhow you see them, we'll come talk them in another way. We'll make your belly with you. The way you know to read them before for the paper. We'll go help you read them like that. And if you get such news, send and give us for the red at Wazobia TV.tv. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter. We'll be at the red. At the red. Also, if you like our Facebook fan page, we'll be Facebook.com/I the red. You go see some of our pictures, and if you go YouTube, Wazobia TV YouTube channel to see some of our matter we don't talk before. Now the first matter we in my hand here be say a woman will get belle don't kill her husband because you know support Buhari.
Oh, kubus.
You see?
That means this supporting of Buhari was a compulsory one. No?
You see? Woman kill her husband.
Die fan.
The husband no agree support Buhari.
Die fan.
Naim say if the woman they support Asma, if will be problem. Make we see the news. Make we hear the news and read the paper. Who is coming?
Lagos State, where one pregnant woman stab her husband die because the man no agree support APC presidential candidate General Muhammadu Buhari. The woman they support Buhari while the husband be they support PDP. The two of them be argue seriously so tey e turn to fight. The wife no fit bear the argument. and her provocation level can rise. So she no get choice, now she carry kitchen knife where she be dey take cut okra, come take and shook her husband for chest. She no be troublemaker oh. She never even be small pikin sef, talk less of to fight any neighbor for area. But na only God know wetin can happen. Now so one neighbor yarn this one.
She never be
troublemaker at all. No, she's not troublemaker.
This one, no, seriously, this one, the devil reach sit down, rent the house. They wait for this.
Shaggy, my own mistake, you might not be troublemaker.
You know why I like my worry? Area, God bless them. You know, exactly this kind of thing happen. You happen for worry. Woman, they support Buhari. Man, they support Jonathan.
Yeah.
If you see their quarry, now where did they chop now? This one cut a back, say go where. APC, okay, winning. Then they walk better, show better thing.
They chop for your body.
Say, it's Jonathan Womlena. Okay, winning. Then argue, chop where, sleep, wake up. Now you go, they keep.
She know they like trouble. She never beat picking before. But she carry knife. The woman don't like trouble. They like women like that, don't like trouble.
They like trouble.
Yeah.
She look her husband.
Another thing, I feel say maybe she just look the husband and say, "Nah, this now okra, I'm just slap and
or maybe meat not there. Maybe meat not there.
Why go they kill? Even myself, I've been vowed say I go kill immediately. The winner announced. As they finish,
don't go there.
I say I go me. I don't lie you. As fast as I go kill, immediately they announce. As they announce, I kill. The fowl I buy, just I kill and fry. I don't pieces some. Fry am, you know.
In as much say this one a very sad news. We see the preach peace. I beg. Me no, vote.
Boy, never reach like that.
Vote. I beg, don't be violent. Come on, madam. No. If area boys no fight, no kill people. Why you go come kill your husband?
Imagine.
For I get personal issue before settle it in an amicable way. Now you don't kill her until I don't clear.
Throughout now,
take care of your pikin.
Buhari if you not even know whether it exists.
Want you even like Buhari for Buhari hear about this matter, you go arrest the lady.
Yeah, no.
That's one thing I like Buhari for. Disciplinary, I go flog.
And you know the guy person where Buhari be. If you may know your name, you don't go prison.
Madam, come. You suppose me go? You can't kill your husband. You come this side. Chan, take bulala. I said vote. I tell you vote, not violence. Not violence.
Vote not fight.
Vote not fight. Vote not kill it.
At least, as they talk of flog bulala, so a good move they flog some motor for road.
Okay.
There's some motor they say not good for Nigeria road at all. No say get some motor when they come. You go say they go left.
No, I say you go straight, but like this they don't. They go, but that's straight.
It don't be like my first best.
Okay.
So this one, FRC, they'll come and say yes. Me they ban all this road. They don't ban all this. They want to ban all this scatter motor for road. So
they won't start. What did they do since?
They say everybody want change now.
I mean, look the news. Yeah, what they talk for inside. Yeah, people. Strong.
Federal Road Safety Commission (FRC) don't ban the use of scatter and smoky motor for our roads so as to reduce road traffic wahala across the country. This ban don't worry transport drivers will get this kind kpafuka motor them. So true, this scatter and smoky motor, they constitute environmental yawa. Apart from say it concern for safety of the driver and passenger, they call it Vehicle Inspection Office (VIO) to tanda so that they feel squeeze sense come up for any driver where get scatter and smoky motor for Nigeria road.
My question is, what did they do since?
Then they wait for change.
Who's change?
This change.
You know what did annoy me about those FRC people? They go stop you when they don't say motor. You know say you get the motor. Say if you see where they come, you know say no, this motor head correct.
Yes.
Now those kind of motor they stop. Meanwhile down for more lower go the pass. Those people like say the last time when they see brake lights. Now when they see the government.
Why they blame if they stop with Danfo? How much you want to see but take pay? How much you get?
Imagine a Jaguar coming and a Danfo coming. He goes start Jaguar now for another money day.
And they go to stop motor for roadworthiness. Why they gonna do roadworthiness?
All this Danfo they really need to change that. They get some Danfo NBCS, you go enter. As they go, if you see a particular, you need to hold umbrella. As they enter, you need to hold umbrella. But the rain fall. I don't see Danfo when they say, person corner, like person enter the Danfo, the conductor just corner, carry door. Who for how? Yeah, enter, then close the back.
Those kind of where you go enter, and if you know your leg with the scratch ground, I'm motor go.
And in addition, again, you need to carry thread and.
No first, I get one of our those they say, they go find work. The person will say, don't go school, don't the house. My work will come manage gets and see me come interview, come enter na for go. I think you just close that here. You know even know. Na second got say, what's wrong with you? Can you come to an interview in a such reputable company with clothes torn clothes? What's wrong with you? The guy best.
I go to explain.
I want to go back. Where I want to go sew the clothes. I say lose that job.
Hey shit.
In Congo. When he gets the next job interview, he wear short knicker and polo, holding clothes in the way for the interview.
So see the more is they need to really ban those scatter motor them beg. Oh my God.
Thank God they no thief the cloth for us.
He only cloth for
the whole man.
Seriously,
Joe.
Okay, we see there on ID red and the ICD red, and now we are about to approach change. And you get something we put for South Africa. You know, say normally our people where you park motor for Lagos, all those Agbero, the way they guide, their approach they different. I can't see this video. I can't see what happened there. They're very unique. And I say I bring a more and see I more watch the video.
Houses are being broken into and various items are stolen, for an example, particularly electronic items, for an example, cameras, laptops, etc., etc.
I know, man. There's no crime here. I do a very good job.
Yeah, I'm not saying you're not doing a good job. In general, is it dangerous?
Everybody knows crime is dangerous. You know, one time here, I had to chase away 7 guys with 7 guns who wanted to take 7 cars.
7 criminals?
Yeah.
How did you do that?
No, I told them straight. I said, get away when, otherwise I phone the police with my phone.
That's very brave.
Yeah.
You weren't afraid that they would shoot you?
No, I was not afraid. Besides, I was standing inside. My name is Patrick Ngasani. I come from Far KwaZulu. If you need my professional services, you can phone me on my number 074 312 7536. I'm very good in my job, but I'm not so sure.